Hello, this is Robbie Mitchell here from Head in the Cloud Development. I hope you all had a great time at SuiteWorld in October. I know my team here sure did. You may not know, but on every Monday of SuiteWorld Week, NetSuite hosts a Hackathon4Good, where teams from all around the world come together to try to develop the best solution for a selected NetSuite social impact charity organization. And today, Ryan and I are going to give you a quick walkthrough of the solution we presented, along with Pablo and Nathan, at the NetSuite Hackathon4Good this year. So the challenge scenario we were presented with was to use AI and machine learning to create an interactive inventory forecasting dashboard. The solution was to include forecast charts, alerts and recommendations, intelligent inventory allocation actions, and what-if simulations. To help us accomplish this, Oracle gave us access to an Oracle Cloud Infrastructure account with Data Science Services enabled. And to talk you through some of the more technical details about how that works, here is Ryan Jones with the demonstration.
Hi everyone, it's Ryan here from Head in the Cloud Development. Today I want to show you a smart, connected forecasting solution that brings predictive insight directly into NetSuite. It uses Oracle's Cloud Infrastructure Data Science Service to analyze historical activity and automatically generate future forecasts, all visualized here inside NetSuite where your teams are already working. Behind the scenes, the system learns from past inflows and outflows, recognizing seasonal peaks and slower months, and projects what's likely to happen next. For example, you can see these clear spikes here around January, August, and December. Our model then automatically picks those spikes up and adjusts the forecast accordingly. This means you get accurate, data-driven visibility months in advance rather than relying on static spreadsheets or guesswork. Once inflows and outflows are forecasted, the system will then simulate your future inventory levels, adding what's coming in and subtracting what's going out. The colored lines here show where inventory might dip below safety levels or even exceed your warehouse capacity. With that foresight, you can then plan purchasing, logistics, and warehouse space before issues arise, preventing both shortages and excess stock, helping you plan proactively rather than reactively. All of these forecasts are then synchronized back into NetSuite automatically, so your finance, supply chain, and operations team can open this dashboard and instantly see the latest predictions. No separate tools or manual uploads. It transforms NetSuite from a system of record into a system of insight, helping every department make decisions based on what's about to happen, not just what already has. This is just one example of how NetSuite and OCI Data Science can work together to deliver predictive intelligence. It's quick to deploy, easy to maintain, and built entirely on the Oracle ecosystem, so it will scale with your business. If you'd like to explore how AI forecasting could enhance your NetSuite environment, we'd love to show you what's possible.
Thank you, Ryan. And now just to show you a little bit more of the dashboard suitelet here in NetSuite. First, I'm going to select the next 12 months range here. And here on the Inventory Forecast Status tab, we show a row of graphs for each location and a column of graphs representing each item category across those locations. So we've got sneakers, boots, shirts, and coats across all our locations. Then on the Inventory Reallocation tab, this is where we see recommended actions based on upcoming problems detected in our inventory. And we can click on any of these links to initialize the recommended transaction. And finally, for our what-if simulation, I'm just going to copy and paste in some text. Hopefully it'll know the answer. We didn't have time to get this totally built out, but it does have a nice conversational interface, and we were able to use the NetSuite LLM SuiteScript module to have it generate JSON output with the intention of doing something more useful with that data in a future version. And that concludes the demo for today. Again, this was just a hackathon project, so it's far from perfect or fully functional. It's really just a proof of concept. That being said, challenges like this are what we work to solve day in and day out. At Head in the Cloud Development, we never stop developing, and we always strive to help make NetSuite better, faster, and easier to use for our customers. SuiteScript development is the specialty that we've been focusing on here all day, every day, for well over a decade now. So if you would like our help on any NetSuite development projects, please reach out today. You can email us at gurus@headintheclouddev.com or contact us through our website at www.headintheclouddev.com. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again at SuiteWorld next year.